Guys, in this session, I will be telling you about the roadmap for becoming a cloud engineer. I will guide you on how to start the Google Cloud Platform services. Apart from this, I will also guide you to some crucial tools that we have to focus on, and it would be helpful for you to build a successful Google Cloud engineer. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a cloud engineer? Well, imagine a cloud as a virtual space where you can store and access your data and applications. A cloud engineer is like a superhero who designs, sets up and manages this virtual space so that businesses and individuals can make the most of it. So let's get started. Guys, first of all, we'll discuss what cloud computing is. You know, in cloud computing, the term cloud represents the internet. User can store their data and run application on remote server maintained by cloud service provider, eliminating the need for physical infrastructure and reducing the burden of maintenance and management. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing resources such as storage, processing power, and software application over the internet. These servers are highly scalable and can handle large amount of data and traffic, providing flexibility and agility to businesses and individuals. You know guys, cloud computing offers several advantages like scalability, cost efficiency, and maintenance and updates. For an example, user can easily scale their resources up or down to meet changing demands, allowing for flexibility and cost optimization. You know guys, service provider handle the maintenance and updates the underlying infrastructure and software, relieving users of these responsibilities. I hope you can now understand the cloud computing. Guys, as you can see here, there are a couple of crucial tools like Git, GitHub, Jenkins and other tools like Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes and blah blah that we have to focus on. It is crucial to start the journey of a Google Cloud engineer. First of all, we'll need to know the basic knowledge of these tools. Apart from this, you can upgrade your skill based on your requirement. Let's talk about an operating system. You know guys, an operating system is a software program that acts as an intermediary between the computer hardware and the user. You know, when creating a new virtual machine VM in Google Cloud Platform or any other cloud platform, an operating system is required for several reasons. The OS is responsible for booting of virtual machine and initializing the hardware and software component. It set up the necessary environment for application to run. Guys, apart from this, you should know about the Linux command. Linux is the most widely used operating system in the cloud environment. As such, having a knowledge of Linux command is crucial for managing and administering cloud servers. With Linux command, you can perform tasks such as installing software, configuring network setting, managing users and permission, monitoring system performance and troubleshooting issues. Guys, let's talk about Git. Git is a distributed version control system that allows multiple developers to collaborate on a project by tracking and managing changes to source code. You know guys, GitHub on other hand is a web-based hosting platform that provides Git repository hosting service along with additional features for collaboration and project management. GitHub serves as a centralized location where developer can store their Git repositories and collaborate with others. GitHub provides a user-friendly interface for managing repositories, creating issues, reviewing code, and facilitating discussion. Guys, apart from this, you should know about Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source continuous integration, continuous delivery, and deployment CI/CD automation software DevOps tool. Jenkins is necessary in the cloud because it automates CI/CD processes, facilitates continuous integration delivery, guys, and deployment, and integrates with cloud services and tools, enables scalability and elasticity, promotes DevOps practices, and so much. Guys, let's talk about Terraform. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool developed by Hassi Corporation. It allows you to define and provision infrastructure resources across various cloud providers, including Google Cloud Platform, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and other cloud providers. Guys, apart from this, you should know about the Docker and Kubernetes. Docker and Kubernetes are two popular technologies that are widely used in the world of containerization and container orchestration. Docker is an open source platform that allows you to package an application and its dependencies into a standardized unit called a container. Containers provide a lightweight and isolated environment where application can run consistently across the different systems regardless of their underlying infrastructure. Guys, Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy application quickly. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized application. Guys, it provides robust framework for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications across cluster of server. Guys, apart from this, you should know about shell scripting and Python. As you know, guys, shell scripting and Python are both programming languages commonly used for scripting and automation tasks. Basically, shell scripting and Python are commonly used in the Google Cloud Platform for automation and infrastructure as a code. It can be used to manage and configure GCP resources such as virtual machines, storage, buckets, networking components, database, and more. Guys, I hope all of you now understand some of the tools that we have to focus on, and it is crucial to start the journey of a Google Cloud engineer. Guys, let's talk about the Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform is a lovely set of cloud computing services provided by Google that offers a wide range of infrastructure, platform, and software services to help organizations build, deploy, and scale applications and services in the cloud. Google Cloud Platform also provides extensive documentation, software development kits, and command line tools to facilitate development and management of application on the platform. Guys, Google Cloud Platform offers a wide range of facilities and services to its customer. Guys, as you can see here, some of the services provided by Google to the customer, like Google Compute Engine, storage, networking, identity and access management. GCP provides various compute services to meet different needs, including virtual machines, serverless computing like Cloud Function and App Engine, container orchestration like Google Kubernetes Engine. These services enable users to run and manage their application efficiently. In other hand, guys, GCP offers a variety of storage options including object storage, file storage, block storage, and it also provides managed database services like Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, and File Store. Apart from this, guys, GCP provide a robust networking capabilities including virtual private cloud VPC for creating private network, load balancing for distributing traffic, cloud CDN for content delivery, and virtual private network VPN for secure connectivity between on-premises and cloud environments. Guys, identity and access management in Google Cloud Platform provides a robust and flexible access management framework. It helps organizations maintain control over their resources, enforce security policies, ensure that the right individual or services have appropriate access to Google Cloud Platform resources. Guys, the security and compliances in Google Cloud Platform refers to the measure, controls and practice implemented to protect data and system and application hosted in Google Cloud, adhering to regulatory requirements and industry standard. Guys, the monitoring in Google Cloud Platform refers to the process of collecting, analyzing and visualizing metrics and logs to gain the insight into the performance, availability and health application and infrastructure hosted to Google Cloud Platform. Logging in Google Cloud Platform refers to the process of collecting, storing, analyzing log data generated by various resources and services within the GCP environment. These facilities provided by Google Cloud provider to customer to build, deploy and scale their application and infrastructure with ease and leveraging Google reliable and scalable cloud platform. Guys, we'll learn more details about all GCP services in the upcoming session. Guys, a cloud engineer, you should know about the importance of cost optimization, provide the best solution and minimum cost to the customer, service level agreement, governance and compliances. Basically, cloud service typically operate on a pay as you go model where you only pay for the resources you consume. By optimizing cost, you can eliminate unnecessary expenses and ensure that you are getting the most value out of your cloud investment. It allows you to allocate your budget effectively and maximize your return on investment. Guys, an SLA is a contract agreement between a cloud service provider and a customer that defines the level of services that the cloud service provider will deliver. An SLA typically outlines the performance and availability guarantees of the cloud service provided. Overall governance and compliances in the cloud enable organization to meet regulatory obligation, protect sensitive data, mitigate risk, and maintain control over their cloud-based system. By implementing appropriate policies, procedure, and security measures, organization can ensure the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of their cloud resources while adhering to applicable laws and regulations. Guys, you think can any graduate learn in Google Cloud? Yes, of course. Any graduate can learn and utilize Google Cloud platform. GCP provides a wide range of resources, documentation, and training materials for individuals to learn and get started with cloud technologies. Thank you so much for watching this session. If it would be helpful for your career, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell and share with your friends and join the Cyrus Tech Cloud family. Dear friends, thank you and have a nice day.